Hello friends, it's nailsbyrey and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I'm creating these nails using BlueSky gel polishes, and I'm making an ocean marble press-on nail set. So thank you to BlueSky for sending these over. So without further ado, sit back, relax, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on my socials if you haven't already, and let's get on with this video. So first we're starting off with my almond shaped press-on nails on my nail stand. These are the nails I've been obsessed with lately. I've been using it for a lot of my nail sets, so be prepared to be seeing this for the next few videos, of course. I'm going to apply a thin layer of base coat and cure that under my nail lamp for 30 seconds before I continue with my design.
We gon' fuck up the world, excuse me, but it's that your girl. Didn't mean to possess your girl. Baby, I'm high profile, don't ever tell them you met me, girl. They gon' think that you rep me, girl. 5'7", I'm messy, girl. I'ma pass you the name.
So for the base, I wanted to use a pale pink color. So this is the BlueSky color in the shade Romantique. And this is the one that I've chosen to use. I'm going to do 3 coats of this and cure that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds. Every product will be linked below, and you can use my code nailsbyrey on the BlueSky website for $10 off your order.
Baby Kim, I wouldn't call it close. Nasty, get them girls off the stage, cause somebody's gonna get taken, somebody's gonna invade on a one-on-one conversation. I'm drugged off from the world, I'm immersed in the PlayStation, and I ain't worried about her. It's 1,000 hers out waiting. We gon' fuck up the world, excuse me, but it's that your girl. Didn't mean to possess your girl. Baby, I'm high profile, don't ever tell them you met me, girl. They gon' think that you rep me, girl. 5'7", I'm messy, girl. Famous, but I'm not for sale. Why you trying to possess me, girl? I mean, you know what upset me, girl. Was like that when you met me, girl. Cause he'll put you in princess shoes. Elevate your respect, you too. Here's 10K, I'm in a sexy mood.
For today's design, I decided to use these 3 colors to achieve this ocean look. I had just come back from vacation when I filmed this, so I was missing the ocean vibes, and so I said, you know what, I have to create this through my nail set. So I have like a dark green, a white, and a lighter seafoam green. I'll be putting all 3 of these colors on my mixing plate and then mixing them all together to create this marble design, using a layer of uncured base coat as my blooming gel.
That's it. I don't love nobody first. That's it. But you made this pussy square. That's it. So that I bitch to hit the curb. That's it. Yeah. That's it.
That's it. 5, 6. Blue tips. Rich. But you rich. I know how to swim. Why don't wrist? Why don't neck? She rub my bank. I walk in the bank. I leave it with racks. I live with beanie knees. No kizzy, no bikini knee. Some beds at Tennessee. I try to get back. Told her to swim on the set. Fuck it so good, need a check. The beam on the back of the tech. My island bitch shoot it the best. Correct. My foreign little bitch. Know how to really stress. Yes.
Ooh, that's it. You just want a foreign girl. That's it. I told him I want the world. That's it. Gucci dress and Fendi fur. Oh yeah, that's it. I don't love nobody first. That's it. But you made this pussy square. That's it. So that I bitch to hit the curb. That's it. Yeah,
You get pre-X. You already did, but they need to keep up. That bitch can't get no balance on the dick, but she a Libra. That bitch can't get $1 from this shit, it's that Belisa. I bust it on the features, then give her back to Jesus. Cause if I try to keep it, you know I got Keisha, Keisha, you know I got Caesar, lick it, pleases, you know I got niggas in my whip, looking at this shit like I won't bust it. All my dogs got it filled up, it's still cross. All my dogs got it filled up, it's real crop. All my dogs got it filled up, it's still dropping. This, imagine how niggas came up from the south, knowing them streets done did you dirt. Coming up these niggas with no fan, pussy that nigga don't touch my stash. Yeah. Working the curve, I wanna count all the Benjamins. She wanna
So I realized that oceans have blue in them. Then I have quite a bit of green, and although it looks really nice, I decided to add this blue splash shade, and I wanted to give a little splash of this color, pun intended, to kind of make it a bit more ocean-like and add a bit more of a blue hue to it.
Kept the galleria open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in HOUSTON. I get too crazy at a little badina. We stay good friends, we get too gravy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. Ah, babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket. She gon' take off like a. You already know, dirtied up a couple on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably coincide. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the Jeep blood stainers, and we got adopted by some fifth ward strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you in on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would.
So lastly, I'm going to top coat all the nails and cure them under my nail lamp for 60 seconds.
Show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Over your shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. So we in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Now we in Houston. Definitely going down.
Brush you again, then I might brush you again, hey, then I might brush you again, hey, then I might brush you again, lady, there's a phone you can reach, you know I don't give for keeps. You tryna feed me with jealousy. Girl, you must know nothing about me. I never go here on a plan B. Plan B, plan B. I never go here on a plan B. Plan B, plan B. Yeah, brush you again. Then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again. Hey, then I might brush you again.
Alrighty, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Thank you for BlueSky for sending over these cute products. I hope you guys loved how these nails look. And if you do, be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you never miss any uploads for my channel. And I will see you in the next video.
When I'm in town,